All right, you guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another POV drive. So for today, we're doing a short POV drive. It's not gonna be like super long. It's windy out there and it's super dark. Visibility is not that great. But yeah, let's get right into it, guys. I hope everyone is doing well. And I hope everybody is having a good Sunday. God bless you guys. First off, I want to start off by thanking you guys and the new subscribers, and also a lot of the people that have commented already. I appreciate the support, you guys. Please continue to follow the page so we can upload more insane content for you guys. So yeah, it's gonna be a rainy night POV drive, guys, just for you guys. So like I said, I hope everyone is doing well. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button. Let's put the car in dynamic mode. No, individual. Make sure the steering is in dynamic. And there we go. Yeah, I think we're good. Put that in manual. That's a perfect mode, you guys. Crack the windows down a little bit. As you guys can hear, the car sounds really good. It's amazing what this car can do. Watch out, bro. But yeah, as you guys can hear, the wiper's not doing so great, but it's doing its job for now. Turn off the heat. Amazing is All right, so as you guys saw, we beat a M340. No, not an M340, M40, which is the SUV version of the 340i. That guy wanted to race, and I gave it to him. I gave this guy all 400 beans that this car has to offer. Yeah, guys, this is pretty cool. That's a really fast SUV, by the way. If you guys give it a tune and a downpipe, it's really good. Oh, I had to. Oh, that probably sounded awful, but anyways, guys, I turned off the noise cancellation. That wasn't great. All right, guys, so that guy wants to race me again, but I'm not gonna do that again because it's quite dangerous out there. So don't feel safe enough with the tires I have put on this car. Please give this page a follow. And I also wanted to tell you guys about the website, Tektronix. As you guys know, I sell PCs, gaming PCs for everybody. And if you guys are interested in a gaming PC, I can build it for you and I'll ship it out to you. I have a legit website. It's called Tektronix.com. And you guys can purchase. I have monthly installments that I can do for you guys, whether that's a whole year or 8 months or something like that. You guys have the ability to do that. If you guys want to take advantage of that, then go ahead and check it out. These PCs are custom built to whatever your needs are. If you guys are looking for performance and speed, I can build something for you that's really epic, and you guys could really run every game that's out there. And if you are into the FPS and all that stuff, then you can contact me and I'll try and get you the best quote for a computer, for a PC that's purpose-built just for competitions and stuff like that. Because I know there's a lot of people who like to compete and like to live stream and all that stuff. I also have a streaming setup that you guys could check out. It's a pre-built stuff. This is just a plug-and-play setup that I put together of all the stuff that you can use, like a stream deck, a microphone, lights, a camera, and all that stuff to get you started right away. So if any of you guys want to live stream your content, or you want to live stream all of your plays, you guys can do that now. Yeah, it's just a plug and play system. And if you guys enjoy playing video games, you guys should take advantage of that. So yeah, guys, please take advantage of that because I have plenty of stuff that you guys can use. So if you guys have any questions about the systems and what they can do and what kind of FPS you can get out of a whole system, get in touch with me. I'll let you guys know what it is that the whole system brings. And yeah, guys, let's get back into this video. But anyways, guys, I just casually raced an M40. That's insane. An M40i from BMW. So now what we're gonna do is go to a dealer where they have a couple of nice cars in there. But anyways, here's my broken windshield wiper. I'm gonna turn around now. Gonna head into that dealer. Oh man, they have M340 over here. That's pretty cool. Look at that, guys. That's a good looking vehicle. They have a G63, is that what it's called? But anyways, they have a lowered M340i if you guys are interested. And they got an M340i as well over here, an 840, and an STI if you guys are looking for an STI. But that's a beautiful car, guys. That M340 is a vehicle I would like to own. Someone's racing. But anyways, guys, that's a pretty cool car. That's a cool M340. Yeah, that's cool. That looks sick. Is that AWE exhaust? Wow. So it's got the red on black. They got a Genesis over there. A lot of nice cars, guy. I think it's Jeep and Wrangler or something like that. I don't know what this dealer is, but anyways, New Milford, Connecticut, Wetmore's is the dealer you're looking for. If you guys are looking for an M340, but I love that one. That looks really, really cool. They both look cool, but that one over there is the latest model, I think, of BMWs. But all right, guys, let's get back into it. It's gonna be a quick one. All right, boys. That was really fun. Yeah, boys, this is a really cool drive. I wish I had the track exhaust because you guys could hear this engine a little bit better probably, but we got to work with what we got so far. And yeah, guys. Alright, this is gonna be the last pull, you guys. It's gonna be a short video, like I said, but a sweet one. You're gonna hear the sound bounce against the this whole thing. Down to first. Paper flying everywhere. All right, that was cool. Very fun, you guys. So yeah, guys, for the next few months, my goal is to reach 1,000 subscribers. So yeah, guys, please hit the like button, share with your friends. If you like this type of content, please let me know down below and just comment. All right, let's see. All right, guys, if you have made it this far, I want to thank you guys, but I'm going to end the video here at the gas station really quick. Oh, that was a terrible shift. All right, so I'm going to let the car cool down a little bit. Okay, all right, guys, so here's where I'm going to end the video. I want to thank each and every single one of you guys again. Please hit that like button and share with your friends. The car is looking really clean right now. But yeah, hopefully we can get some mods. I want to do the front lip, I want to do a wing, and I also want to do a diffuser, which is all carbon. But if you guys have made it this far, I want to thank you guys for watching the full video. And yeah, guys, so stay tuned. Peace out and God bless.